friends, welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and don't forget to click the bell icon. Today I am going to teach you how to make an apple swan which looks amazing like this. For that you need one apple and a big knife and a small knife. Now I have cut this apple piece in a little slant part in which the hairy part is one side and the stick part is one side. Now I will cut a little thin using the big knife. Make sure you're careful when you're cutting. After cutting, we need the seeds for the eyes. Remove the seeds carefully with the knife and keep it aside. Now, I will use 2 wooden blocks and keep it in the sides like this. And now I will cut these using the big knife and make sure you stop till here and don't bend the knife. Till you cut till there, remove the knife and cut it again. And again remove the knife. And now after cutting, we will cut this portion like this. And now we'll press it a little hard, only till this cut. Make sure you are very careful and we will remove this. Make sure you cut till the edge. Now we will remove this piece. Removing this might be a little difficult. Now we'll keep this piece aside and do the same thing again to the other side of the apple. Just make a mark with the big knife and cut it using the small knife. If you use the big knife for cutting, you might cut your hands. Now we'll remove it. Make sure the 2 wooden blocks are same height, same size and same length. Before you remove, make sure you cut it properly. If you do not cut it properly, the swan will not come nice. Now, we will take these pieces and keep this piece aside. And now, I will use this a little thin wooden rakes and keep these piece of apple in center. And now I will cut this using the small knife. Make sure your knives are a little bit of sharper. And now we'll do the same thing to the other side. And we'll remove this piece. Make sure you remove the small piece very carefully. After removing this, we'll keep the small part a little bit of front. And cut a little bit of slant for the bigger part. And now we'll place this half wing to this part. In which, after doing this part, I will take this part and cut it like this. And the downwards too. And now I will make this a little bit forward and cut a little more smaller inside. Make sure you use the small knife, and I will make this also a little bit front and place it for this part. And now I have done the same thing for the other piece. And now I'll place this piece also to the other side. Make sure the two wings are same size. Now I have taken these two wooden rakes Now I have taken these two wooden rakes and I'll place this other piece of the apple in the center and cut it. Make sure you cut it a little bit of straight. Cut it a little slowly and remove the seeds if there are seeds inside. And now we'll take this part and cut the head. For the head, I will cut a triangle near the heart shape and cut the heart a little bit. Now I will cut this part in a circle and cut this like this. And cut a little bit and remove the head. We'll cut the extras. Now we will remove these wings and now we will take one seed and make it as an eye and press it a little bit using knife, or you can press it with your hand. And now we will make a cut by seeing the length. And we'll remove it using the knife and make hole inside. After making the hole, we will make the beak a little bit of proper Now we will place the head inside. And now after placing the head, we will place the wings. And after placing the wings, now after placing the wings, your swan is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. You can keep this fruit carving in any functions or festivals on your dining table